ପିଲା ଥିଲା ରୋଡି ତାକୁ କିଏ କଣ ନାଁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କୋଉଠିର ବାବା ଥିଲେ ଜାଣିଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିଲେ ଗେଟ୍ ପାଖରେ ସିଟି ବେଲେ ଆଗୁ କିରା ରୋଡି ବୋଲ କାନ୍ଦି ହେଲା ଆଉ ଗାଁ ସାଇ ସାରା ଲୋକ ତାକୁ ଜାଣି ଆମକୁ ବି ଫେମସ୍ ଲୋକ ସେ ଜାଣିନି ମନେ ଗୋଟେ ନଅଟା ଗାଈ ସାଙ୍ଗ ମୁଁ କଲି ଜାଣିନି ତାକୁ ବୁଲିବାକୁ କମ ଖୋଜିବାକୁ ଆମେ କମ ବୁଲିଛୁ ଛୋଟବେଳେ କାହା ଘରେ ଯାଇ ଶୋଇଥିବୁ କାହା ଘରେ ଯାଇ ଖାଉଛୁ ଦିନେ ତ ସରପଞ୍ଚଙ୍କର ବାଡି ଆଡେ ଯାଇକି କୋଳି ଗଛ ଉପରୁ ଆଉ ତାଳ ପଡିଲା ସେ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଉ ସେଟା ଆମେ କିଛି କରୁନୁ କାନରେ ପୋକ ପୁରେଇ ଦେଇଥିଲା ଗୋବର ପୋକ ସତେ କାମ ହଉ ଭେଣ୍ଡର ସୁଜି ମାରିକି ଛାଡି ଦେଇଥିଲୁ ଚାଲୁନି କଣ ନବନି
This meeting is being recorded.
Students, good morning. Students who are in the online, am I audible, students? Right. Now let us move to the further. What was our previous lecture? What was our previous lecture? How to set the legend, how to set the grid, how to set the subplot. Subplot I did not explain, right? How to set the grid. Next, how to set the legend. Those two properties are now. So let us xlim and ylim also I said. Font properties. I said font also I said. Font properties. Did you remember font properties? So font properties also how to set. I said in class. Family. And next is called color. And then size. Like that we discussed already now. Well, so it's a time to see, to move to the further. I hope next today I will go to the line plot, which is very easy. Once you understand all these things, other things will become dead easy now. So here I will go to our regular discussion. This is the one which is going on here. So these are the things I already said. And legend property, how to set the grid property, how to set the legend property, and how to draw the multiple plots. This is also very important. Okay. So grid property and all those things I said. And font property also explained. Font is equal to family is equal to something that I did not write yesterday. Here I wrote how to set the font properties. Maybe done. So next I'm going to enter into the another type of thing. Go for what? Subplots. Subplotting I want to go for it. So subplotting. Subplotting I am going to enter. So what do you mean by subplotting? So take care what is the subplotting mechanism is. Students, you already know in one axis, yesterday's class, we went for what? In one axis, we have shown multiple plots, right? Multiple plots we have seen. So if we go to our discussion, in the last session, if I take it, here I am going to take it, drawing multiple plots like this. So we drawn multiple plots. This is called what? Linear form, quadratic form, and then cubic form. And those kind of multiple plots in the same place we wrote it. In the same place we wrote it. We want to write this in where different places I want to write it. So in one figure, I want to go for what? Axis number one, axis number two, axis number three, axis number four. Like that, I want to go for it. So in one figure, we are taking, these are called plot one, plot two, plot three, plot four. Like that, multiple plots I'm going to create. How to draw these plots? That is our today's topic. Okay. So that we are going to enter. So let us move to the further. So how do you go for subplotting? Don't take much time. It is so easy for you. Let us first observe this diagram. Come on, what is this box is called? Come on. Very good. Figure. Good. So 1 minute, students. I'll take little bigger one. What is this is called? Right, figure. Good. Figure. And in the figure, every figure contains what? Axis. AXIS or IAXES? Okay. Very good. AXES. Good. So in that, I'm going to write it. I'm going to take it. In that place, I'm going to take it. So blue. Blue. Okay. Now I'm going to take up. In this place, I'm going to draw. This is called one type of axis. I'm creating multiple axes. This is one axis. This is called another axis. This is called another axis. This is called another axis. Right? This is called axis. AXES. This also one more kind of axis. This is also one more type of axis. So how many subplots are there here? 3. So how do you draw this kind of thing? So in this figure, how many rows are there? All subplots are there in where? In single row. One single row. How many columns are there? 3 columns. What is the index of this plot? First plot. Second plot. What is this now? Third plot. What is 1 comma 3 comma 1? Madhubavalu. First row. First row. Come on. Spell out. First row. How many plots? That is called what? 3 columns. In that, what is that? First plot. First plot. Come on. What is that now? First row. How many plots? 3 columns. That is called 3 plots. What is this now? Second plot index. Come on, next 1 comma 3 comma 3. What is 1 comma 3 comma 3? First row, 3 plots, 3 columns. Third plot. Totally how many plots? How many rows? What is this first one? Plot number 1. First plot. Second plot. Third plot. Totally how many plots? 3 plots. Easy. So I will go for, this is called 1 comma 3 comma. What is this 1 represents? Number of rows. What is this represents? Number of columns. What is this now? Plot index. Come on. Plot index. Go, sorry. I'll go to one more way. One more way. Online students, be careful, mom. All of you. What is this? What is this? Figure. Figure. So I'm going to take it. Keyboard also not working like you. What happens? Keyboard also not working like you. What I'm pressing is something else is coming. So wireless is always danger. Now this is going to be, what is this? Figure. Okay. Ready. Now be careful. What is this? Axis. What is the next? Axis. What is the next? Axis. What is the next? Axis. How many axes? How many rows? 2. 2 rows. How many columns? 2 columns. What is this now? What is this now? 1. How many rows? How many columns? What is this now? Right, next 2 comma 2 comma 2. What is this now? First row, 2 rows, 2 columns. In that first row place, and then first plot, second plot, which are in this place. 1, 2. This is. Next is called what? 2 comma 2 comma 3. This is called 3. 2 comma 2 comma 4. This is called what? 4. How do you know? 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. Is it not called 1, 2, 3, 4 or not? Yes. ఇది ఏం బాబు అట్లా ఉన్నారు? Breakfast completed or not? But keeping face like that. Any problem? No joyful face. Okay. Are you okay? Right. So now I'll go to one more. What is this is called? Figure. So what is this is called? What is this now? What is this now? What is this now? Axis. Come on, tell me how to draw now. 4 comma 1 comma 1. What is the 4? 4 rows, 1 column. What is the 1? Right. Come on. 4 comma 1 comma 2. What is that? This is 1. This is 2. Come on. 4 comma 1 comma 3. This is called 3. 4 comma 1 comma 4. Solve 4. 4 comma 1 comma 3 will be there. No. Why? 1 into 4 or 4 into 1 is called 4 plots only. Are you getting me? Right. Okay. Anybody is having doubt? No. Something is happening there. Students are getting doubt. I'm not seeing them. Start window running. So are not able to see your screen sharing. This is a problem. Is it okay, students? Is the screen is visible now? Is the screen is visible now? Right. Is the screen is visible? Okay. See how many difficulties will be there. That's why you don't become faculty, okay? Because you will tell only full forms. Because students will get problem. Don't become doctor also. Because if you give tablet, garbage collector will collect away. Become only software engineer, okay? Regularly I used to tell in the class. Okay, students, whatever I was explained, did you understand that, or shall I explain again? Online students, offline students, anyhow, I did not see the screen actually. Explain again now. You could not see anything. Okay. Explain again. Okay. Okay, students, listen now. What is our heading now? This is our heading. Subplotting. All of you type once. What is the topic? Subplotting. Online students. Subplotting. So subplotting. Subplotting means what? Plotting multiple graphs in the multiple axes in the same figure is called what? Subplotting. Plotting multiple plots in multiple axes in the same figure. Same figure. In my class, how many plots are there? In my class, my classroom is called figure. My classroom is called figure. How many plots are there? 2 plots. What is the first plot? Girls plot. Second one is boys plot. So how many plots are there? So what is that one? How do you represent that? Online students, carefully follow, guys. This is my classroom. In that classroom, this is called one type of partition. This is called one type of partition. This is called one more type of partition. This is called axis 1. This is called axis 2. How many rows? Come on. 1 row. How many columns? Right. 1 comma 2. comma 1. This is called boys plot. 1 comma 2 comma 2. This is called a second plot. This is called a number of rows, number of columns, and this is called plot index. Plot index, plot, that is called plot number. Are you following me? Right, online students. In one row, two columns are there. This is called plot number 1. In one row, two columns are there. This is called plot number 2. Understood? Right. Online students, did you understand up to here? Let me go to the little more bigger one. Now I'm going to take it. Now I'm going to take it. This is the one I'm going to take it here. This is the one I'm going to take it. This is going to be known as what? One axis, another axis, another axis, another axis. Like this, I need to go for it. So irregular sizes should not be gone. So how many rows are there? 2 rows. How many columns are there? 2 columns. In 2 rows and 2 columns, what is this index? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this? How many rows are there? 2 rows. Come on. 2 comma 2 comma 1. 2 comma 2 comma 1. 2 rows, 2 columns, this one. Next, this one. 2 comma 2 comma 2. Next, 2 comma 2 comma 3. Next, 2 comma 2 comma 4. This is indicating this is called 4. Are you following me? This is called something like this. Online students, this is known as what? Subplotting. In which area? Same figure. Last and final. Want to make it quick? I will go to last and final here. This is the one I'm going to take it. This is the one I'm taking. So be careful. Like this, I want to go for it. Quick moment. How many rows? 3. So this is called 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and then what? 6. How many rows are there? How many columns are there? Come on. 3 comma 2 comma 1. This one. Next, 3 comma 2 comma 2. This one. Suppose if I want to go to this place, for example, how do you go to it? 3 comma 2 comma 6. Next, go. 3 comma 2 comma 3. 3 comma 2 comma 4. 2 comma 3 comma 2 comma 5. So 2 into 3 is called what? 6. So is it 6 plots are coming or not? Like that. This is called what? Subplotting. Clear? So now I need to go for how to do the subplotting. So there I am going to write it. In this subplotting, we are using the function called what? Subplot, we will be using it. So there I am going to write it. As usual, we will go for plt dot subplot of what is this now? Row number. Come on, what is that? Row number, comma, column number, and next is called what? Plot index. Plot index. Plot index, I need to go for it. Plot index, I need to go for it. Okay. Now I will go to the example. Now I'll go to the example. This is the syntax. So try to see the syntax. Example, I want to go for it. What is an example here? plt dot subplot of 1 comma 2 comma 1. What is the meaning of it? How many plots will be there? 2 plots. How many rows? 1 row. How many columns? So you can imagine the picture. You can imagine the picture. Will you imagine? Right. Now I will write it. For example, 2 comma 1. Ila. 2 comma 1. Will you imagine the picture? What is that? 2 rows and 1 column. That is a vertical. Right. Okay. Good. So 1 comma 2 comma 1. Next I will go to what? In that place I want to draw. How do you draw? plt dot plot of what I'm writing, mom? 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 x-axis value. Now I'm writing 4 comma 3 comma 2 comma 1 y-axis value. Understand? In that plot, which plot? 1 comma 2 comma 1 plot, x value and y value is that. And I'm going to write it what? plt dot show. plt dot show. and you want to go for arranging any x-axis label, x label of, I will write it here, x-axis, and you know all properties already. PLT dot what ma? Y label, of what here? Y-axis. Y-axis you are taking it. Okay. Now you want to set the title for that plot. PLT dot what? Title of. Title of. That is nothing but XY. XY plot. Something like XY plot. Take care. This is called one plot. For your understanding, I am keeping one line. One line. So in our place, it is the diagram. In our place, this is a diagram, students. In this place, this is a plot which is drawn, ma. This is a plot which is drawn. This is going to be like this, because it is going to be like this, it will come. This is called x-axis. This is called y-axis. This is known as what? XY plot. XY plot. This is XY plot will come. Similarly, I will draw one more plot or not. This is another plot. I will write it. There I am going to get it. Like this, I am going to write it. This is known as what? Some x-axis, some y-axis. I will write it. This is also called what? Some more name I will give. And I'm giving same to same I will write with something. I need to give one more kind of title for this total graph or not. This is a title for what plot? First plot. This is a title for which plot? Second plot. For both the plots I need to give what? One more main plot name I need to give. So main intention is how to give the main plot name for that. So I'm going to give in this place, in this class, girls performance graph, boys performance graph, and here boys and girls performance graph I will give. This is a subplot title. This is a subplot title. This is a superplot title. Superplot title. So similarly, how do you draw the second one? Tell me. PLT dot. Come on. Subplot of subplot of some subplot of 1 comma 2 comma 2 2. Same thing. If you follow me, students, I will write it here. I will write it there. I am writing 1 2 3 4 only. I will write here also 1 2 3 4. I am writing x-axis, y-axis, no problem. X-axis, xy plot 1, xy plot 2, xy plot 2 also coming. PLT dot show. That is okay. Now I need to give for both the plots one common title I want or not. So PLT dot, there is a function name called SUP title. SUP title. SUP title. Stands for super title. Super title. That is nothing but main plot title. Main plot name. Main plot. Main plot something. Main plot. I'm giving it. So it goes for main plot contains what? Subplots. Some title I am going to give. So this is what you must remember in the class. So are you able to understand what are the function names you are getting? Subplot, the PLT dot show, PLT dot etc. You know, and I'm going to give you what? PLT dot super title. That is called PLT dot super title. This is indicating row number and column number. Go to the Jupyter notebook now. I'm going to enter into the Jupyter notebook to draw these subplots and all. So let us take subplotting. Concept also I will send you. Go to the place. Go for what? Subplotting. Drawing. Subplotting. Subplotting. Come on, first. Import matplotlib. Matplotlib dot pyplot as PLT. PLT dot. Can I bring that? So I'll bring this entire thing. And I will bring this entire thing instead of typing it again and again. So I will write it. So go to the place. Sorry. This entire thing I will press shift to tab. Okay. So this you try to Want to keep it like this, you say some commenting. This is the another commenting. Now this is called like this. Go, go to the place and try to run. And no more NPs now. So here, you see the subplots here. We are going to get it. Here we are going to get it. Two things here. So 1 comma 2 comma 1, 1 comma 2 comma 2. And I need to write plt dot show, plt dot show, plt dot show. So here plt dot show. So I'm trying to write it. This is the one we are getting it. Are you following me? So if you try to reduce it, the things now, you'll be getting it. You'll be getting it. Main plot contains subplots. XY plot 1, XY plot 2, XY plot 1, XY plot 2. You can set your own X limit, Y limit for what? Particular plot. How do you know it is a particular plot? When you are inside of that area, you can do what are all the settings you are doing that is related to that only. Once your subplot will start with the next number, and these settings will related to this plot number. Are you able to follow now? Right. So the same kind of mechanism, if I go to this way, if I go to this way, if I go to it like this, if I'm going 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma, come on, 1, 2 comma 1. If I go to that, if I go to this 2 comma 1, what will be the order? What will be the order it is going to come? It is in the form of what? Row wise it will come. Are you following me? So this is x-axis, y-axis and all those things will be coming. And drawing in one page, multiple plots, generally not recommended. We'll take it as what? Separate plots, we will take it. Are you able to get it? So what is the function name here? Subplot as well as what? Super title. This is an important. We'll go for that. One more syntax I will write it. What is the syntax here? plt dot sup title. Sup title. What is this now? Title for common title for multiple plots. Common title. Common title for multiple subplots. Multiple subplots. Okay. This is done, students. Example part also you have seen it. And this is about creating. So what you do is, after going to home, you create like this. You create like this. Creating like this. Take one plot here, take one plot here, take one plot, take the data and try to show it now. Able to follow? So what is this now? Come on, 3 comma 3 comma 2 comma 1, like that. This is 1 2 3 4, like this you can say. So here I'm having one concept I want to show you, students. You can observe it. I'm going to show here subplots here, and there I'm going to take up subplots. Try to read out. Read out once. Display multiple plots. We use subplot function. We can draw multiple plots in one figure. A subplot function takes 3 arguments that describes the layout of the figure. What is that? plt.subplot, number of rows, number of columns, index of plot. So example, drawing what? 2 plots. So xy plot number 1 taken like that. np dot array of 0, 1, 2, 3. Y is equal to np dot array of 3, 8, 1, 10. Subplot of plot of xy. Plot 2 I am drawing. What is the plot 2? The moment when you write like that, you can almost decide how many plots will come. How many plots will come? 2 plots. One row with 2. And what is this now? 1 comma 2 comma 2. XY values are here and plot dot like this. This is for first example, small example. Next note. In plot 1 comma 2 comma 1, I am describing figure 1. The figure 1 row, the figure has 1 row, 2 columns. And this plot 1 is the first plot. This one I am talking. plt dot 1 comma 2. The figure has 1 row, 2 columns. This plot 2 is called which plot? Second plot. If we want a figure with 2 rows and 1 column, meaning that 2 plots will be displayed on top of each other. instead of side by. So here I am writing. I shown you already two plots. So here xy values 2 comma 1 comma 1 drawing, 2 comma 1 comma 2 drawing, plt dot show. You can draw as many plots as you like in one figure. Just describe number of rows, columns, and index of the plot. Draw 6 plots, 2 comma 3 or 3 comma 2. Anything you can go for it. So drawing the 6 plots. XY values here 2 comma 3 comma 1 plot of XY, 2 comma 3 comma 2 plot of this XY values, XY values plot of 2 comma 3 comma 3, again plot of 2 comma 3 comma 4 XY values, plot of 3 comma 4 comma 4 XY values, again 2 comma 3 comma 6, and plot dot like this. Are you following me? Next, title. You can add title to each plot by using which function? Title function. Already shown you. Two plots with titles. Already here. Something example. Plot 1. Sales. Sales plot it is. Next plot 2. Which title it is? Income title. What is the common title? Sales and income plot. Getting me? Easy. So go to the place. Here I am trying to show like this. Here I am trying to show like this. Here I am going to write it. So try to execute. You are going to get it sales plot and then what? Income plot. So this is side by it is available. This is you are written it as what? 1 comma 2 comma 1, 1 comma 2 comma 2. If you change it, it will come one after the other. Getting my point? Now if I go to 6 plots is there. Here 6 plots concept is available. But also you can take 6 plots concept also. And you can execute this document also will send you. Okay now. So are you understanding how to go for subplots? And did you understand the super title here? Super title. So subplot mechanism. Syntax also you understood. Now I'm going for entering into the line plot. I will go for it. Now I'm introducing the plots one by one. So what we learned so far? Line properties, marker properties, font properties, legend properties, grid properties. Come on, marker properties, all those things we understood. Legend property also we understood. Grid property also we understood. Grid property takes what parameter? Axis. Axis is equal to y, axis is equal to x, axis is equal to both. With axis, lines are there. Yesterday I said LS, LW, color, marker, MEC, MFC, C. I said all these things. Legend also, LOC, labels, alpha, fancy box, different edge color, then different type of things. All these things are not necessary. LOC and labels you must remember. Okay now? Let's go to the problem now. Yes, what is the graph I am taking? Line graph I am taking. Line graph. So what is the line graph? What is the line graph? Line graph is used to represent relationship between two quantities. Relationship between two quantities. Take an example. If you take in 1 week, in 1 week, what I am going to represent? Temperature recording. Temperature recording. Monday temperature recording, Tuesday temperature recording, like that all 6 days, 7 days recording of the temperature. Now I want to show you the variation in the temperature. That is the graph I want to show. That is called which graph? Each graph is having its own significance. But there are sometimes multiple purposes. You can use single graph also. There is no issue about it. So I'm going to trying to tell you, we are going to trying to tell you the line graph, the problem I will show you so that you will follow me perfectly. So let us go to the graph problem. I will start here. So first let me show you the plots here in this one of the graph I want to take up. So here I'm going to take up this example here. So line plots I will take it. In that I will take up In this place, line plot questions, what you are having here. Problem number 1, days. Week 1, week 2, week 3. These are all weekdays are available. These are different temperatures are given. In Monday, how the temperature will be? A normal person want to understand in first week, second week, third week, how the temperature will be. Or in the first week, how the temperature will be with all these kind of days. That is what is our target today. And one more thing is these are all in some place it was one written test question. I just saved it. I'm just showing to you. Imagine you work in a retail company and you want to just evaluate the monthly sales of different products over the past year. And some random data they are giving it. That random data is supposed to take it. So how you can mention this entire thing, students? How you can mention this entire thing now? How you can take this data? First you tell me, how do you represent this data? Quick. Hmm. How do you represent this entire data? I just want to know about this now. So how do you represent this entire data is main important here. Come on. This data is a given problem now. How do you represent in our Matplotlib? By using? Huh? How do you represent this data? I want to draw the diagram. I want to draw the graph for this. How do you represent it? That is my topic here. So I will go to, so you are almost out of order. Data frame I will create. Data frame I will create. What are the data frames here? What is the data frame here? Madhu. So I will create a data frame or I will create a CSV file also. First thing in meaning what I'm expecting, when I want to draw the graph, directly you cannot take it as a math, not a mathematics to take weeks and all those things. It's not a mathematics part. What you need to take? You need to take in the coding part. How do you represent this data? First of all, data frame. First you have to model it. So how do you represent the modeling? Data frame, how to write it. So let me take the first problem. Let me take the first problem. I'll go to this place. Go to the new. I'm going to write it. Take this entire thing. I'm going to keep it here. So I'm going to, this is a problem number 1. Let it be, I will take like this. So I'm going to keep this entire data like this. First, once it is given, always it should get strike in your mind. So here, I must write this data. Okay, done. Start here, import pandas as PD. Pandas as what? PD. ఏమైందా మాట్లాడుతున్నావు? Stand up. What up? Stand up. Stand. Why are you talking? Doubt? మరి ఎందుకు మాట్లాడుతున్నావు? Continuously you are speaking. 15 minutes onwards you are speaking. What is the problem? What is the data frame? Next. Stand up. What is the data frame? Doubt? Then why are you talking continuously? Then me problem in. What is your problem? Books తీసుకోండి. Other books తీసుకోండి. Take your books. Doubt ఉందా? Why are you talking? Any subject doubt? Any subject doubt? No. Both of you. Subject doubt? No. Any health problem? No. You want water? Coconut water? Fruit juice? ఎందుకు ఎందుకు మాట్లాడతారు? ఆల్రెడీ 25-26 ఇయర్స్ వచ్చినాయి. ఇంకా ఇదే స్టైల్. తీసుకోండి బుక్స్. నిల్చోండి, వెనక నిల్చోండి. ఏం రాదు మళ్ళీ ఒకటి. ఇక్కడ ఏమైనా వస్తే ఉండండి, లేకుంటే బయట కూర్చోండి పోయి. ఎందుకు అనవసరంగా? ఏమైనా వచ్చా? ఏమైనా వచ్చా? ఎనీ సీరియస్ డిస్కషన్? అండ్ వై ఆర్ యూ టాకింగ్? లేదన్ పండాస్ స్పీడ్. వాట్ ఈస్ స్పీడీ? బ్లాక్ సెట్ అతను. పక్కకు రాను ఇటు. మళ్ళీ ఇద్దరు ఇట్లే ఉంటారు. పక్కకు రాను. వాట్ ఇస్ ద పీడీ? ఇక్కడ వస్తారు. కమ్ హియర్. వాట్ ఈస్ పీడీ? పాండాస్. ఓకే. PD means pandas. Okay, what is MLT? Matplotlib. What is SNO? Hmm? SNO. Teleda. S name. S name. S name. What is EMP name? Huh? EMP name. ఎంప్లాయీ నేమ్. ఇట్లా వస్తే నీకు ఎవడన్నా జాబ్ ఇస్తాడా? వాట్ ఈజ్ పీడీ? పండాస్ అని చెప్తున్నావు. అలియాస్ నేమ్ అది చెప్పాలి కదా, అది పండాస్ అంటున్నావు. మాట్లాడుతున్నావు ఎందుకు? ఏమడుగుతున్నావు? ఆయన తెలుసా? ఇప్పుడు టైం వేస్ట్ పో, నిల్చొప్పు. సో వాట్ ఈజ్ పీడీ? అలియాస్ నేమ్. లైక్ హిమ్ ఇఫ్ యూ సే పండాస్. వాట్ ఈజ్ ఎన్పి? నంపై. ఎంప్లాయీ నేమ్. ఎంప్లాయీ నేమ్ ఎట్లా చెప్తే ఏమవుతుంది? సో కొద్దిగా ఒళ్ళు దగ్గర పెట్టుకొని పని చేయండి. సో ఇంపోర్ట్ pandas as pd from matplotlib. Matplotlib import pyplot as what? plt. Now tell me how to design this. Come on fast. What is this now? Days. How many days? These are the values. Week number 1, these are the values. These are the values. Week number 2, these are the values. Disturb అయిపోయినాయి. సో నన్ను డిస్టర్బ్ చేశాడు ఆ స్టూడెంట్. Values also disturbed. Right. Now tell me, how do you write it? Students, చూసారా? Pandas already completed. PD dot data frame of online students. Coming to the point of it. Now, PD dot data frame. Sandeep Kumar, change the PD sir and then ask. నువ్వు ఎంత చేంజ్ చేసినా ఆయన ఉన్నది అంతే ఇక్కడ. టాలెంట్ అంతే. సో PD dot data frame. Tell me. PD dot data frame. What is my column name? Days. I will write days. So I will write days of. I will write it. Inside of it I am writing. Inside of it I am writing. What is this now? Here I will write it. Monday. Next is called what? Tuesday. How to solve it? I am saying to you. If that problem is given, how to solve it I am writing. So I will write all these things. Tuesday. I am writing all these things. Next I am writing here. Wednesday. So I am writing here. Wednesday. And next is called what? Thursday. Next I am writing what? Friday. Next is called what? Saturday. I am writing like this. Saturday like this. I wrote it. This is called what? For days key. These are all called what? List of values. For days key, list of values. చూడండి, వాళ్ళు చూడడానికి మంచిగా ఉన్నారు ఇద్దరు. చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు మాట్లాడు. ఇప్పుడు మాట్లాడు. ఇక్కడ పక్కన కూర్చోమ్మా. ఆయన దగ్గర కూర్చోక నువ్వు అసలు. ఇప్పుడు మాట్లాడాలి నువ్వే మాట్లాడాలి ఇప్పుడు. వాట్ ఈస్ డేస్ హియర్? వాట్ ఈస్ డేస్? ఇప్పుడు మాట్లాడండి, ఇద్దరు మాట్లాడండి. వాట్ ఈస్ డేస్? కీస్ కాదు, కీస్ కాదు ఇక్కడ. కీ మళ్ళీ మాట్లాడని రాదు, ఏం రాదు, ఫోజులు ఎక్కువ. డేస్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద డేస్? కీ. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ నౌ? లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ వాల్యూస్. వాట్ ఇస్ దట్? రైట్. వన్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ ఆస్క్డ్ ఎస్టర్డే, సార్ మీరు one faculty asked yesterday, sir, he asked me, sir, you make the student to stand in the back side of the class, it seems now. Somebody said, yes, sir, make a student to stand back side. Is it true, sir? They asked me. Yes, 100%. No, sir, student will feel anything. No, they don't feel anything, I said. Are you feeling anything? So, they are fearing to make the student to stand back side. They asked me, Sir, will they feel anything? No problem. Let them feel. That's why I'm making them to. My students will not feel anything, I said. Because I'm teaching more subject than they expected. Will you feel anything when I stand backside? Huh? Don't feel? Huh? Don't feel. Right. Why I will make you to stand up is just to create a concentration. Okay? Right. Don't feel it is a punishment. It is only VIP person it is. That's why. Days is equal to. Next, go to what next? Week 1. What is week 1? What is week 1? Come on, next. What is the week 1 key? That will have how many values? Multiple values. What are the values I am having? 27, 29, 32. Come on, tell now quickly. 27, come on, 27, 29, 32, 33, 33 again, 31, 29. Like that. I will go to what next? Week week 2. Week 2. How to solve the problem I am going to say. Next 29, 30, 31, 33 and 34, and then I will write 34 again, 31 I will write it. This is called one more kind of thing. Come on, next week 3. I will take week 3. I will take week 3 here. So week 3 is called what now? Let us go to the values. 29, 28, 25, 27, 31, 30, 29. Like this I'm going to. Like this I'm going to. Right? Like this. I'm taking. Close this bracket. Close this bracket of this one. So, coming to the point of it, I will go to that. Hmm? Dharmendra Jain, if teacher has the quality, then student is not felt anything. As he know, God study that he will get anywhere. Right. That is what expecting. So, next is called what? One more also I need to take it. Sunday also I will take it. Right. Good. So, thanks for understanding me positively. But even if you understand negatively, don't feel that it's not a negative approach. It's a positive approach only. Because I doesn't have anything. I have very affectionate thing. That's why I'll shout on you to make you to stand up. Suppose he's talking. Will I lose anything if I never see that and I'll go on typing by myself? I think I will lose now. That's why. So PD, PANDAS, NP, NUMPY, EMP name, employee name. If you say, they will ask you who is your faculty. You will tell my name compulsory. Rather than that, I want to make you to feel good in the subject. Okay, now? Right. Now coming to the what is D of now? What is D of now? What is D of now? What is D of alias name of data frame? Girls, what is D of? What is D of? Huh? Come on. Data frame object. Data frame object. Boys, data frame object already printed now. Print of df comma type of df. It is a data frame object. Alias name of data frame. No. It is an object of data frame. Alias name will be there for module name only, not for object names. Already said now. Right. Go to print what? Print of what? df. Print of df. So it is going to print the data frame data. It is going to print the data frame data. Are you getting me? Now, how to go for plotting the data? How to go for plotting the data? Now I want to plot the data. How do you plot the data? Days versus week, I will plot it. Days versus week. I'm going to plot one plot for days versus week 1, days versus week 2, days versus what? Week 3, I will plot it. That is the question, this question importance. So days versus what? Week. How do you go for planning now? I will go to how to take the days. First of all, tell me from data frame. Chappan kadam already. So days of like this. You will get the days or not? How do I get the weeks? How do I get the week 1? Week 1. Week 1. So this is called week 1 coming or not? Come on. Now I'm going to write what? I need to print what? I need to draw the plot for what? Days and then week. So week 1 graph I will write it. So what is the week 1 graph I am going to write? Week 1 is equal to PLT dot come on, I am going to write it. Week 1 is equal to PLT1 dot, come on, plot of what I will take it. DF of days, DF of what? DF of days. I'm going to take it. Days, comma. What is that? DF of what? DF of what? Week 1, week 1, week 1. I'm going to take it. This is called one of the plot which is going to be generated. Plot which is generated. Week 1, week 2, week 3 is generated. Of course, no need to write this type of week 1 also. Just I'm taking it. Even if you don't take also, no problem. Don't get any confusion. Write properly. Are you following me? If you want to see this one, PLT dot what show. For example, if you want to see, and you already know line markers, MEC, MFC, so much of story and you try to go for it, it is going to be showing something like this. See, my dear students, when the days are going to be, you need not to set the ticks also. Automatically, what is coming? What is coming, mom? Days. What is the days? X values. What is this week values? Y values. So week 1 values that is temperature values. Monday starts with what? 27. Monday starts with 27. 29. Like that it is going on showing. So one can understand that Monday to Sunday in this week, temperature is maximum at where? This place. On which days? Thursday and Friday, the temperature is very high. This is used for analyzing the given data or not. By seeing this, a normal person cannot understand where is the temperature is max. Got my point? Yes. So next one, I want to draw the plot for second week. I want to plot. This is for first week. Second week also I want to go for it. This is called week 2. Week 2. This is my second week plot. It is also going to be shown something like this. Last one, if you look at that, Friday, Saturday is having high end temperature or not? One. So this is the one. I will try to reduce this diagram. The Friday, Saturday is having maximum temperatures are showing. In this place, what is showing? Thursday, Friday is showing the maximum temperature. Similarly, I will go for what next? PLT dot show of what? PLT dot show of what? Week 3. Week 3. So this is also going to be showing something like this. So here you see 29 least temperature is on Wednesday, and again temperature is gone up on what? Friday. And this is temperature is coming down. These are the different temperatures are coming. Are you following me? All the combined together I want. Combined together I want. How do you go for it? Hmm. Draw the come on. Draw the line graph, line graph, line graph for all the 3 weeks. Draw the line graph for all 3 weeks. 3 weeks. How do you take it now? Tell me. Combined together, I'm going to take. This is a given data you are taking. Take this entire thing. How to plot it, how to draw the given diagram. You are getting it. And all these things. The given problem, first you need to convert into pandas. Or you need to convert into what? NUMPY ND array. So this is coming in the form of what? Days, number of days. Week, number of values. It's best suited for what? Dictionary. Dictionary. Already dictionary conversion into data frame I said or not? Yes. Now I will go to given temperatures. I'm going to write it. This is my data frame data. Given data now. I will try to write below to that graphs. I will write it. With the labels, all those things I want to take up. Come on, tell me now. PLT dot. Tell me students. Plot of df dot days, comma df of week 1, week 1, week 1, comma week 1, comma. Okay. First you have some properties. What is that now? LS is equal to what? Solid. LS is equal to solid. That you need not to write. Automatically solid only will come. By default, it is solid only. Next, LW is equal to something like, 6. 6 by default. C is equal to something like what, red. Red. If you have any good colors, you try to mention good colors. Okay, next I will write it what? Marker. Marker is equal to something like O. Marker is equal to something like O. Next is called what? MEC, MFC, that you are already excellent in that area. So you want to go for all those things, you take it. Next, let us close this area. Let us close this area. Similarly, I will go for what? PLT dot days, week 2. Week 2. I'm going to take it something like, 6 only. And you take it as green. Take it as green. And let it be. This I will take it as cross. Next, I will take it as one more here. One more here. I'm writing there something like days. Week 3 I'm taking. Week 3 I'm taking 6 only. Something like you take it as what, block. Block you take it. And something you take it as star. You take it as star. And try to run this now. PLT dot, PLT dot what now? So you can take it. PLT dot X label. So try to design your graph. X label. Chupandi. What is this now? Weekdays. Weekdays, comma. What is that now? Font dict. Font dict. Font dict is equal to, I will write it. Chupandi. Family. 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 What is this now? Arial. Arial. Next. Come on. Color. Color colon what? Blue. I'm just writing something like blue. Next is called what? Size. I will write it size is equal to something like 15. Something like 15. So I'm mentioning that. Similarly, I'll go for what? Label. That is nothing but what? Temperature. Temperature values are not. Temperature. So temperature here. Temperature. So there I will take it. Family, Arial only, color is equal to same thing, size is equal to same thing. Next is called Y label. This is Y label. Similarly, I will go for what? Title. I will go for a title. So title. So what is the title here? Title of quantity. So something like Arial. Something like this. Here I will go for some 20. What is this title here, students? Temperature in where? Temperature in where? 3 weekdays. 3 weekdays. 3 weekdays. Okay. PLT dot legend. PLT dot what? Legend. Tell me, what is that legend? Legend will take what? LOC and labels. That is an important. Directly I will write it. Hmm. Labels is equal to, directly students. How many labels are there, mom? So 3 labels I am going to take it. That is, I am taking week 1. Next is called week 2. Week 2. Next is called week 3. Week 3. So week 3. So this is called different weeks I'm taking. LOC is equal to best only it will be coming. Okay now. Next PLT dot, PLT dot. Of course I need not to write that. Next is called what, grid. Grid. Axis is equal to what? Both. Axis is equal to both. I need not write both, students. I need not write both. LS is equal to what? Dotted. 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 Next is called what? C is equal to what? Green. Green. Anything else? Lines width. Okay. LW. LW is equal to something like 5. Like this. Now I'm going to take it PLT dot what? Show. PLT dot show. So you'll be getting. Hmm? So there is a error is coming here. See how much big error. Unrecognized marker style. That is called what? So asking to go for what? Oh. So here we are getting this diagram X label, B label, BEL, title of. So try to run this. You'll be getting no artist labels, legend. What is the legend? No artist were label starts with underscores, ignored what legend called argument. So labels, okay, labels. So coming to the point back, you are going to get it. So go to this place, this LW remove it, or LW just to say 2. So just mention it. Try to look at this now. This is a simple diagram I am going to show you. These are the different week. Week number 1, red in color. Week number 2, something. Week number 3, this is the one we are having it. So this is called weekdays, and then temperature here, and this is temperature in what? 3 weekdays. I think you are following me. So any problem is given, that problem you need to take it in the form of like this data frame, and then convert into what? This kind of place. Are you following? And they will give this. This is actually one written test question. Very long back, one student has brought this question. Because that is a dead easy. And that is a very new time that what we are getting it. He did not get an idea of doing like this. And you can do in another way. In what way? CSV file also you can create. CSV file you can create or not? What is that? What are the columns? What are the columns? Online students, first of all, did you understand this? Right. Subhakant Nayak. Crystal clear, sir. Okay, good. Now I want to go for doing the same thing with what? CSV file. How do you create CSV file? తెలియదు తెలియదు. So this entire data, whatever you have, that I will go for what? This is my given problem. I will go for what? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like this you are getting. How do you take these values? Now I'm going to show you in the CSV file. CSV file, can I take it? Now, so will you do or shall I do? Shall I do it or you will do? You or me? You, me, me, teacher. Okay, I will do. Okay, so Sarita. Okay, you will do. Okay, Dheerendra, then you will do. But offline students are saying, sir, you do, they are saying. No problem, students. First time now, you are saying all the way, you are coming to the problem. I will take simply this data. Will I take it? What columns you want? What you want the columns? Week names you want columns, Sunday, Monday you want columns. మీకు ఏం కావాలనుకుంటున్నారు? సండే మండేనా ఆర్ బోత్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ టు సాల్వ్? మీకు ఎందుకులే కానీ మీకు అసలు తెలియదులే, నేను చెప్తాను చూడండి. లెట్ us go to that. As a student, what I'll do, I'll bring everything into this place. Remove these things. Week 1 values also remove it. This values also remove it. This values also remove. So this also you try to remove. So this I'm trying to take out like this. Whatever the given problem is there, try to do this. First problem now. So this symbolic notation you remove. What I'm taking 29. Like this you try to, because the comma separated values are not. Comma separated values these are. Week 1 and week 2, all of them are comma separated values. I need to take like this. So here, week 3, don't give any spacing between that. So here I'm going to take up. Here I'm going to take up. If you give spacing in the middle now, you'll get problem in CSV file. No spacing to be given, everything to be separated by comma. Here also, go to the place. Here I'm going to take one small thing. 32, go to this place, comma. No spacing to be taken. If you give spacing now, you will get so many problems. It cannot be validated. Your data cannot be taken up. Spacing can be taken up. So comma. So 27. So next I will go to what? Another value I will take it. 33, comma. I will take it. Yes, week 2 also. Yunus. Good. So I will take week 2 also. 34. Next I will take it. 31. Yes. Then after that, now I am bringing that entry up to eliminate that spacing. To eliminate that spacing. Here 30. Next, I'll get it back. Here I will write it 31, comma. So I will take up this data 30, 29. So this is the comma, seventh line, comma, okay, comma, that is comma. Are you following me? So in the commas and all those things, no more spacing to be given. This is called a CSV file. Save it. Where I'm saving students in the same place. In E colon, in the same place, in the place of it, Python for data science here. I will go to this place. In the matplotlib, in the line plot, in this place only I will save it. How do you save it? I'm going to write it temperature weeks dot what CSV. I'm going to take up. And this internally treated as what? This is internally treated as what file I said? CSV file. See students, it is a CSV file. Perfectly, this is a CSV file. Understood? Now, how do you read that? That is my target. After ensuring like that, then you have to go for it. Do you know how to read the data from CSV file? Well, go. Come on. In another way, I'm going to do the same process. So draw the draw the line graph. Draw the line graph. Multiple examples I'll give students. Graph from by reading the data from which file? CSV file. CSV file. Tell me, I forget how to read the data from CSV file. I forget. Import, as usual, I'll be taking that entire data. Import, this part you take it. Here I'm going to get it. Some small point. Come on. PD dot read underscore CSV. Read underscore CSV. I need to pass the absolute path or not? Read underscore CSV returns an object of what? Data frame. What is DF? Object of data frame. What is the data frame? What is the data frame? అందుకనే మాట్లాడొద్దని చెప్తాను నేను. What is the data frame? What is the data frame? Class. Data frame is a class whose object organizes the data in the form of rows and columns. Data from object is which dimension? Which dimension? Which dimension? Two dimension. Which dimension? Two dimension. First dim will give you what? Rows. Second one will give you what? Columns. How do you take it? df dot shape of 0 will give you number of rows. df dot shape of 1 will give you number of columns. Already explained everything. Right. చదువుకోకుండా ఊరికి మాట్లాడితే ఏమొస్తుంది? సో చెప్పండి, నువ్వే చెప్పు. So come to the point. Now I will write the data frame object. Data frame object. Bring this entire thing. Now I'm going to put it into this place. Here I'm going to write it. So here I'm going to write it. What is this now? Temperature weeks dot CSV. Weeks dot CSV. What I need to write? Single slash or double slash? Double slash. Do you know why I'm writing double slash? Do you know why I'm writing double slash? Do you know why I'm writing double slash? తెలియదు. ఇప్పుడు పైథాన్ బుక్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తారు ఇట్లా. So why double slashes? Because any backslash n is there, it will take a new line. To escape that, to avoid that, I am using double slashes. Instead of single slash, I can write what? Reverse of that slash also I can write. Where I taught that in the packages. What error will come? Syntax error, Unicode error will be coming. Already shown or not? See students, how simple it is. Print of what now? I'm getting df. While I'm going to get it this df, here I'm going to write a df. So print of what I'm going to do? Df. Df I'm going to give. Now here I'm going to get the df. So see the data now. This is the ds. Df we got it. Are you following me? Now, what to do now? I need to get it what? Come on. I need to go for giving week 1, week 2, week 3. What should I do? I need to draw the diagram. This is called what? This is called what year? I'm going to week 1. Week 1 is called what? Last class I took it. Days versus weeks. Days versus weeks. Days I'm getting or not? Days are nothing but the data was shown something like this. Data was shown something like this. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, something like that. If at all you want the days also, what you will do? If at all you want the days also, what you will do? Happily, you can go for here what? In this place, on the top of it, I will take what base you can add extra. You can add days extra. I will go to the new one here. See, and all these things depends on how well you will practice it. Here I am writing. What is this now? Monday. Next I will write it what? Tuesday. Now I am going to write it Tuesday. I will write it comma. What is the next? Wednesday. Wednesday. I am writing like this. Next I will do what? Thursday. Thursday. I'm going to take it. Comma. Next is called what again? Friday. Friday. Next Saturday. Saturday. Next Sunday. I'm going to write it. Sunday. This is also called what? Days I added. Save this now. Here I'm going to write it. In the same place, I'm going to write it. What is this now? Temperature, weeks, 1 dot what? CSV. CSV. Either you can write codes within that or you can go for all files and you can save it. Any one, whichever you like it, you can take it. Go to the place, ma. Here you got the data and you go for reading another way. So do the same thing. Come to the place back. Here I am going to write it. What is this now? Weeks 1. Weeks 1. Go to the place. Am I getting the days as it is or not? I will do the same process. Understood or not? So how do you get the days? I forget. DF of days. How do you get the week? DF of week 1. Already you know. What these are all called? Column names. And these are all called what? Simple, simple. So test చేసుకుందాం ఒకసారి. What is this now? Days. Days are coming. Test చేసుకోండి. You test it. You test it. So happily, I will call my code of previous. Is it the code of same thing or not? I will go to the same code of previous. This part, I will get this. This data, as it is, I will get it. There is no change at all. In this place, there is no change at all. This part, I'll go to this. Instead of this, here I will write it. Instead of this I will write it. So paste it over here and see the data. We are getting it. Same diagram is coming. So any problem is given, straight forward the data you have to keep it into data frame object through your dictionary or list or tuple or something or CSV file. Any one is you have to go for it. Either a data frame or through CSV file. Ultimately, the data of your given problem should be there in CSV file or data frame object. It should be there. Then I can go for drawing the diagrams. I think you are following me. Right. So this part, how do you draw it in multiple plots? How do you draw it in multiple plots? How many plots I am having? Three. Three. So how do you draw it in multiple plots? How do you draw it in multiple plots? Week 1, week 2, week 3, you can take it. 3 comma 1, you can take it. And 3 rows, 1, 1, 1, you can take it. I think you are following me. So last and final, because that possibility also I want to show you. Last and final, how to do it in the multiple plots I am going to tell you. So draw the implement the above problem, implement the above problem with multiple subplots. Multiple subplots in same axis. Come on. First one. Come on, Babu. Come on. What we will do? This is the data you got it. This is the data you got it. This is the data you got it. Data frame data you are implementing. There is no issue about it. Check cheskunna. There is a data got it. Now I will go to what? This is okay. Next, what I will do? This same type of data is ready with me. I will go for one plot I want with what? Days with what? Week 1. Days with what? Week 2. Days with what? Week 3. Come on, go. How many plots? 1, 2, 3. You cannot go for one row first like that. Either you go for one row or one column with that. You understand? Either this way you go, either this way you go, or this way you go. Whichever way you want, you can go for it. Okay now? Come on, vertically you try to implement more. Come on, fast. So, draw, draw a subplot, draw a subplot for days versus week 1. Okay, come on. PLT dot, PLT dot subplot, PLT dot subplot. So, it is question. Anyhow, it is there because you are writing fresh problem. That's why I'm taking up. So here I will write it. Here I will write it. Come on. Subplot. Subplot. 3 comma 1 comma 1. There are totally how many plots? 3. Because I have 3 temperatures, 3 weeks with the days. 3 plots. Come on, I forget. PLT dot plot. To draw the line plot, I will use the function name called plot. Plot. I forget. What you want to? Days versus week. I forget. DF of days, days, comma, DF of, come on, week 1. Spelling mistakes, you take care, students. Week 1, week 1, comma. If you want any extra decoration for that plot and all, you can take care. What is that? LW, all those things you want, you can take care of that. No issue about it. You can take care of that story. Okay, now? That is about one plot. What is that now? PLT dot X label. PLT dot X label. Any of that weekdays will come. Only title I will set it. Title. What is that? Title of what? First week. What is that? First week I am going to take it. First week I am going to. You can take font dict, everything you can take. You know now? Yes. Next I will take it. Font dict and all those things you will take it. That I need not to take it. Even if you want, I can just trying to take font dict. I will take it. Font dict. So comma font dict. Just I am taking something like 14. Similarly, this is for which plot? Week first one. Next I will go to where? With what? 2. So copy this and try to. Go. PLT dot 3 comma 1 comma 2. 2. This is called what? Week 2. 6. Red is this is called green. Green. Same thing like I will take it as something like cross. Star, cross, star. Same. If you want to go for it, this one is same. Color is changed. Everything is same. This is called which week? Second week I am taking. Similarly, I'll go for what? One more plot. Week 3. Week 3. What is the week 3? I'm going to take the same thing. Come on, what is that? Here, double bracket. Okay, mom. Eunice, good. So here also double bracket. Try to take care. This is called what? Week 3. Week 3. So it is called what? Block. Black. 3. 3 comma 1 comma 3. Okay. This is called what? Third week. Third week. Same. Right. Okay. All the things are over. One super title or not? PLT dot set the super title. Super title for all the 3 weeks. What is the title? I will take it. ఇక్కడ ఒక టైటిల్ చెప్పాం కదా మనం. ఆల్రెడీ there is a title. I will bring it. The same thing here also I will bring it. Super title, SUP title. SUP title of what? Weekdays, Arial, and this is called 20. It is called red. I will take it as red. That's all. I'll say PLT dot. Finally, what? Show. Show. So you'll be getting different type of diagrams are shown in this. Temperature in 3 weeks. First week, second week, and then third week. Like this, you can go for it. I think you are following me. So it is a dead easy, not a difficult, and it is going to be so simple. Okay now, right? So they are going to be giving analysis, and in which week, what will be the temperature recording? I'm just showing like this. Online students, is it clear for all of you? Did you understand how to get this type of data? So any big data is given, what we will do? Put it in where? CSV file. CSV file. That you need to take it into CSV file. So coming to this place, here I'm going to take it. One more question is there. One more question is there. Now I'm going to understand one more kind of thing I am taking. They are giving to you just, of course, the some more data is given. I will write it that what they are giving students. If you take it here, they are giving, imagine your work at retail company. You want to evaluate monthly sales of two different products over the past year. Because they are trying to give it as year means what? In an year, they give some description. Year means how many months will be there? 12 months. Some random values are going to come. So what is the product one? What is the product sales? Product one sales. They are giving some values are going to be there. The product values are differing the values between 50 to 200. The product sales value ranges from 50 to 200. Any one of the value in the middle of it. The product one is changing its value from 50 to 200. What is the meaning of 50 to 100? Any one of the value means, can anybody can say? Product sales value ranges in between ranges in between 50 to 200 in 12 months. In 12 months. ఇది చెప్తే మీరు గ్రేట్ అసలు. And product 2 values differing from 60 to 180 in 12 months. Product 2 sales. This is a question, and they are asking try to implement the graph. So if I am a student, what I will think is 12 months means what? January to December. You will take product one sales value ranges between 50 to 200, and you immediately will get a mind in that range of 50 comma what 200 comma 12 and raster mere, but it no. So what you are taking? Very good. Randint you will take. Where is the Randint is available in? తెలియదు. సో మధ్యప్రదేశ్ ఎక్కడుందో తెలుసు, కానీ దానికి ఎక్కడుందో తెలియదు. బీహార్ వేర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ యు నో, బట్ వేర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ దేర్ యూ డోంట్ నో. కమ్ ఆన్ నెక్స్ట్. Product underscore sales 1 is equal to sales underscore 1 is equal to, come on, np dot random dot randint of, I said randint 3 4 syntaxes I said. Open చేద్దాం ఒకసారి, అవసరం లేదా సార్? when you open it unnecessarily we feel sir not remembering. So there I am writing 50 comma, what is the given task? 12 and 200 comma what 12. What is the 50? Lower value. What is the 200? Higher value. How many values? 12 values. Already 3 by 3 matrix time I said this. And this is called one thing. and they are going to get it. One value will be coming in this. And similarly, they are saying that in this place also, I'm writing the value here. It is going to be rand int of what? 60, 60, comma what? 180, 180. And what is this? 12. So product sales to this is product sales to. So what is the overall conclusion now? If you are understanding, this is a given problem actually. Then how you can take this is I prepared it. This is for your problem statement. I prepared. Actually, this is a question. 12 months given. Product one sales value ranges between that. Product two sales values will be ranges this. These statements are programmatic statements myself prepared. Then tell me, how do you implement this in the coding? Whenever matplotlib is coming, you have to go for what? Here not only product sales one, product sales two. I need months also, na? So what is your immediate conclusion? What is your how many values will be coming because of that? 12 values. How many values will come? 12 values. What is the product sales one? Key. What are these called? Values. What is this is called a key? What are these called values? What is the 12 months? Month is called what? A key. And the 12 months is called what? List of months. So how do you write the code for it? How do you write the code for it? Muddu Babalu. DF is equal to DF is equal to something like what? Retail company is equal to retail company is equal to I will write it PD dot data frame of come on here. I'm going to write it month colon. I will write it all the months. So January, February. I hope you will do that. I'm expecting March. Next is called what? APR. Next is called May. Next is called June. Next is called July. Next is called what? August. Next is called what? September. Next is called October. October. Next is called what? November. Next is called December. DEC. This is called what? More list of values. Next, please. Next, please. Here I will write it. Come on. Sales. Sales. One. Please your own thing. Sales underscore sales product. This is given as sales product underscore one or product A, product B or product one colon. What I will do? What I will do, students? This I will write it. This I will write it. This I will write it. Are you following me? What are these values, sir? Random of values are coming. This is the one. Comma, what I will do next? Sales product 2. Sales product 2. This is one thing. Okay, not necessary to write now. Why this is? So I will write it next, comma. I will write it what? Product 2. I will write it np dot random of this entire data. This is called 60. Comma what? 180. 180. The 12 is coming. Close. Close. Close the bracket. What is this is called? Data frame object created. With what columns? Month column, product 1, product 2 as columns, and you will be getting this data will be coming like this. Why this 12? Are you understanding this 12? 12 means 12 random values I want. So, so something like this I will try to carry students. Online students, are you following? Online students, please respond. Now I'm going to get it. This is a point I'm getting. So try to 1 minute, students. I'll try to write in the same line. Later I will press enter key. Later I will press enter key. Just give me 1 minute so that indentation problem will not be coming for me. Yeah. So next I will take it to make you to see everything. This is a product sales too. So like this. So I hope this you got it. This you got it. Even RC. instead of the bigger one, I will take RC, so that you can, even if I upload this complete, you can see well. Now I will print this data, students. What is that? Retail company data. When you are going to take it any time, you try to use that problem related words. Retail company data. Print as what? RM. RM. So try to see that NP. Okay. So import NUMPY as NP. As NP. Import, already I written it because it's a new problem, PD. So this is called RM. So I got it. See, students, months, product sales 1, product sales 2. Perfect. Now you can draw what? Line graph. For what? Month to say product 1, month to product 2. You cannot create CSV file for this. Why? Product data not given, na? Product data given as random data only. Random data means randint only you need to use. You cannot write randint in the CSV file. That's why you must be create. That's why you must be so perfect in how to create data frame. Data frame. So many approaches I said. How many ways are there to create data frame? Tell list, tuple, set, dict. These are the traditional Python object. Series, end array, end array. You can create. Next, CSV file. These many ways are there to create an object of data frame object. This is one of the way. So now I will go for drawing the plot. Drawing the plot is dead easy. Okay. This is important. So ఎప్పుడప్పుడు ఇక్కడ విని ఇట్లా మర్చిపోకూడదు. Pandas listen and then Pandas forget means when do you reserve now? So you need to go to it. Now I'm going to enter into students. I will carry my data, ma. Here I will carry my data, students. I'll carry this data, students. In this place, I will get it. In this place, graphing I am going to take it. This is the data I got it. This is the data I got it. Retail company data. I'll try to bring it here. Here I posted here. Retail company data. I'll keep this now only. Actually, you only tell me how to do this. This is a data we are getting it. That anyhow you are getting this part. Retail company data. Try to mention. Now I'm going to. How many plots? 2 plots only. DF of, tell me, months. DF of months. Months, na? Months. Month only. Okay. Next. DF of what? So sales product 1. You don't type by yourself, copy and paste. So this is the one I am writing. This is the one I am writing. Again I will do what? Month I will go for it. Month I will go for it. Month I will go for it. Sales product 2. Sales product 2. Go for it. Then label. What is this now? Months. So months. Months. Next is the like this I am taking. Next is called what? Come on. Sales trend. Sales trend. Sales trend. Sales trend. Some name, whatever you like it. Need not to have the same. Sales variation. Sales differs. Sales or simply you don't know 2 words. Sales. మీకు ఎట్లా అలవాటే కదా ఒక వర్డ్ చెప్పడం. Even though 24, 25 years are there, and any question is coming, only one word you are saying. Not only you. Total మన 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 సంఘం అంతా అంతే. మన total society is like that. One word answer only. Whatever the big question, one word only. Maybe unity in students, that is. So sales trend and font dict Arial and everything. And what is this now? Sales in months. Sales in months. Sales in months. Sales in months. Okay. So labels. What is this now? What are my sales? I will take it as what? How many weeks are there? How many columns are there here? Product 1, product 2. 2 products only will be coming. So how many labels are I am representing? 2 graphs are there. 2 labels only will be there in the legend. So definitely two things I will take it. What is that? Product 1, sales product 1 and then product 2. Sales product 1 and then product 2. So product 2. So I should not go for this now. How many plots I am drawing? That many legend description will be there. Legend and all those things, Legend. This all those things, Dotted and everything. Access is equal to. Labels is equal to. Ma? Line number? Huh? Okay. Product 2. Right. So PLT dot this part, of course, that is already there. You can from matplotlib import pyplot as PLT. As PLT. So you can take it the sales product month. So somewhere else there is a month. Where is that? So here months you need to take. So X label, this is no problem there. Once X label problem is no, nothing is there. So where is that here? Key error. Where is the key error? Month only. This is called month only. January, February. Sales product 1. DF of month. DF of month. DF of month. Yes. Good. That is good. RM dot. Because my data frame is what? RM. RM. That's correct. Anywhere else change? Here also RM. Here also RM. Here also RM. If I write a DF, in earlier DF, month is looking. That's why it is giving what error? Key error. So earlier DF does not contain now. Now this is a diagram. This is a diagram. అంటే diagram చూసి మీరు happy feel అవసరం అవసరం లేదు. You have to see that. So this is going to be something like 3. This is something like 3. So try to go for. So here I will go for this. Try to see this data. So you are going to get it. Product 1 and product 2, it is going to be the best fit is going to be putting into some place. This is called what? Lower right, lower center, lower left. Wherever it is there, best fit. Months as well as what? Sales trend, sales in months. Okay, now. So if any graph is, if any problem is given, will you draw? Will you draw? Right. So what you do is, after going to home, 10th class percentage, intermediate first year percentage, second year percentage, BTech first year, second year, third year, CGPA versus your years. 10th class, intermediate first year, second year, engineering 4 years one side, and your CGPS one side. Draw the graph. And I want to see tomorrow. What is your graph? Uppa, downa, what is the zigzag manner? Like UZ, heartbeat rate, I just want to see. So this is called the concept of what? Line graph. Tomorrow I will give some more some more problems I will give you. You try to do. After going to home, you do that. Okay now? Don't take dummy data, take your own data. Take your own data, okay? Understood how to take in data frame, how to convert, how to take CSV file and how to draw? Yes. So how to draw multiple plots, same plot, all these things you understood. Online students, I think it is clear for you. Is it clear, ma'am? Right. So if a problem is given, how to convert it, I shown you now. So, Adukale. So today you did not answer any question properly. Huh? You did not. What are the attributes of data frame? The attributes of data frame. How many attributes are there? 10. 10. చూడొచ్చు 10 number అంటే number చెప్పేస్తున్నారు. So how many data frame attributes? Then what are those? 5 ఫైల్సా? సో తెలియదు కదా, మీరు 10 అంటే 10 అంటున్నాడు నేను. ఫర్గెట్. సో వాట్ యూ రిమెంబర్డ్, యూ టెల్ మీ అబౌట్ డేటా ఫ్రేమ్. వాట్ యూ రిమెంబర్డ్ అబౌట్ డేటా ఫ్రేమ్, యూ టెల్ మీ. So daily days are going on passing, age is increasing, we go on forgetting. Then what is the use, ma? Today you read everything. Today, both of you. Tomorrow I will ask the same question. Will you come tomorrow class? Sit here only. Both of you sit here only. I'll ask the question. Will you come tomorrow? Okay. 90% you will not come. 10% I will expect you will come to the class. 90% you will not come. You will attend, join online. I will check tomorrow your sincerity. Okay. What is the question? What are the attributes of data frame? Right. Thank you. Take care, students. All the best. Online students, you hold on if you have any doubts. Of course, time is almost over, students. 10:59 today. Time is over, students. Tomorrow, if any doubts are there, I'll clarify. Almost 11 o'clock now. Dhirendra Jain.